Hey, I'm gonna see if I can make a tripod out of this coat hanger. So I'm gonna kind of push it up, and I'm gonna pull this part backwards. So, and then bend this forward. So I got this basic kind of structure here. And then notice how this little kind of neck bent inward. So I'm gonna kind of do that a little bit more. I'm not sure if this is really gonna work, but let's see if we get this kind of up and over. The idea is, we put our, nope, this is not quite right. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit more, but that's the idea, is I'm gonna try to get the camera to sit up like this. I see right now it's getting too wobbly. I want this more out here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend this back up. And you can use pliers if you want. I'm just doing this with my hands because it's a cheap dry cleaner hanger. And then maybe, I don't want this little pokey thing to hurt me, but I'm gonna do this in like a little loop just to give a little bit of backing. Bend this apart a little bit more and squish this together a little bit more. And okay, it's a little wobbly. And then I'm gonna wrap a rubber band around there some way just to keep it from falling off, but I gotta make sure I don't cover up the camera. Maybe we'll try like this. Yeah, you might get a little seasick, but once it stops wobbling, notice it's a little wobbly, and I just put a chopstick. It just happens to work perfectly. Hooks under there, hooks into there, stabilizes it. So here's the final result. I added a little bit of tape to stiffen it up, especially the chopstick on the back. Put a piece of tape over the top so it wouldn't keep sliding up. And that actually makes it a lot more stable, less wobbly. I mean, it's a little wobbly, but for free, you can't beat that. And if you flip the camera around, you can use it as a video conferencing stand. Thanks for watching.